Hello guys, welcome to the Java Developers YouTube channel. Yesterday's class we had been seeing about formatting tags in HTML, right? We can style the text in different ways, right? By using the formatting tags, around 14 tags will be there and we are going to use based on our requirement, right? Today our topic about the list in HTML. Okay, if you want to prepare the list of data, there you have to use the list tag, right? Today our topic is about going to cover is about list. Okay, as a list in HTML will consisting of three types. Okay, basically ordered list. Okay, first one is ordered list with OL representation, and next one is unordered list with UL representation, and whereas definition list you will represent with the DL. Okay, these are the three types or three different types of list in HTML. Okay, and we are going to write the code for examples for these three types of list. Okay, each one have their own attributes, right? What are attributes? They will provide the additional information. Okay, let's go to the VS Code and just create new uh, as a day 4, right? Yeah, day 4 dot extension is HTML. Okay, shift and one simultaneous, press the enter and just use day 4. And next come to the body part. You will be able to, first thing we are going to discuss, it's about ordered list. Okay, let's put the heading as ordered list in HTML. Okay, in HTML we are going to do the ordered list, right? What is a ordered list syntax? They will be represented with the OL, right? OL stands for ordered list. Inside the ordered list we are going to use the li stands for the list. Okay, list. I want to print hi, hello, welcome. Okay, and bye, and let's subscribe. Okay, and these are all about that, and just go for it and let's run the code. Okay, you will see that output, then you will get an idea, right? As the title is displayed here, and we are going to use the ordered list with HTML, and that will be consisting the list type. By default they are taking numbers, right? So I want to change its type. I want to use the type equals to, you can use these types what are by default they are in numbers format. I want to use alphabets. Okay, you can see that alphabets is there, and you can use small alphabets, yes you can use, and you can use Roman numbers, yeah you can use Roman numbers, or you can use small Romans. Okay, you can use the small Romans too based on the requirement. If you does not using any type, by default they take numbers. Okay, I want to start with 100, the numbering. Okay, 100, 101, right, up to the required level, but I want to be it's reversed. Okay, then use the reversed. Okay, from 100 it's gone reversed, decreasing order, right? As you seen this about order list, it's a list purpose. If you want to take any, if you want to design any list type of data in our web page, we are going to use this. Okay, basically it's very important, and you will be having the three attributes. Okay, as a type you can specify its types. Okay, as a start you can start with anything, and it's reversed, you can reverse that anything, right? These are the things we had been seen in order list. Okay, that's all about the order list, and now go ahead with br into 3. Okay, then go for the unordered list. Let's take h1 unordered list in HTML. Okay, you can see that your heading will be there, unordered list. Just one is enough, I think so. Yeah, let's as a unordered list they will be displayed with the ul stands for the unordered list, and li stands for the list, and hello HTML. Okay, we will write different things. Okay, like HTML. Okay, then you can use CSS, then you can use JS, then you can use React JS, then you can use Next.js, then you can use Bootstrap. Okay, then you can use jQuery. Okay, then you can use Node.js. Okay, these are all some examples, right? By default, they had taken the format of disk. Okay, the symbol what you are saying, they are form of disk. Okay, and I want to change its type. Let's use type equals to circle. Okay, no change. Yeah, that's good. Let's see the difference. Okay, once disk disk is same and circle is same. Yeah, circle means the background will be turned into the white. Okay, are you seeing that? If I removing this, you are able to see the dark dots. If I use circle, you are able to see the white, right? If I use square, what you will see square boxes, right? Yes, that's the three types of unordered list attributes provides. And I think reversed is not anything, the way you are writing or not writing, it's same, right? There is no numbers for them, so they are same, right? Yeah, so it's a type. I think no start is required for those, right? Next we'll go for the last one is, let's take one br, or no need, I think so. Let's take h1 as we go for the definition list. Okay, as the definition list will be DL with integrated with the DL, but inside the DL it's different from the past two, that ordered and unordered. It's consisting DT. Okay, that is definition term. Okay, and you will be having the DD, that is definition data. Okay, let's see the output once. You will be having, oh no, yeah, you got it right. I mean, okay, 1 minute. DT stands for, and DD stands for, okay, yeah, this is about that. But if I want to use that, I mean, we want to know the use case where we have to use that, right? Okay, let's comment these two and go for DT like Java, and you can use the DD like Java is a high level programming language, right? Java is a high level programming language. That means you are using the DT for the definition term for giving the heading, and whereas DD it provides some indentation, I mean some space, right? In Python you will see the indentations, right? In the same way it will provide some indentation for the DD. That's only the case we are going to use this. Okay, that's all about this ordered, unordered, and DL, that is definition list in HTML. Okay, if you have any doubts, just comment me, and we are going to do one problem. Okay, we are going to design this type by using the list. Okay, it's a task. Let's take the folder as task, and let's take the file name as day4. Okay, that means it indicates day4 task. Okay, HTML. Okay, just take and change the title task of day4. Okay, what is our task? Let's we have some heading like some of the favorite links. Okay, but they are in the heading, right? So you have to use h1, some of the favorite links. Okay, you will see this. Okay, one, see the output, it's loading. Yeah, it was not loading perfectly, so reload. I mean, we are not running the present HTML page, right? So you have to run that at first. Okay, if you're running, then it will be okay. Yeah, Okay, you got it, some of the favorite links, right? What is our next step? Okay, let's keep it here. Let's keep it here, and I want to always monetize this. Okay, what is that? First one is the social networking. As a symbol, it denotes it's unordered list, right? So you can use unordered list, and inside that you will be having the list, and that will be says like social networking. Okay, it was saying that it's social networking, and instead of that you will be having again ul, and that ul is the first one you will be consisting of d. Let's see that whether it's coming or not. Yeah, you are getting right. Okay, inside the social network again you will be having, let's analyze this. First you will be having the ul, that is a social network. Inside that again these are uls, right? But here the type is changed. Okay, the type is what here for the ul. As you see our output, okay, our output is like this, right? Same. Now we go for another li, and what the name they had given, like reddit stumble upon, right? Already reddit and stumble upon, right? You can see the output of our code. Okay, stumble upon, yeah. After completion of this, I want to create the reference as same to the social media, right? Where is social media? It's outside the ul, right? So take the li, and let's take social media. I mean, what is the term? Reference, right? Reference. Okay, as a reference will again ul with the google wikipedia dictionary, right? Again ul, inside that ul google wikipedia, and you will be having dictionary, right? This is how we are going to design, right? Yeah, you will be having like this. Just compare that with this. Yeah, as a social is the heading, inside that you will be having the three names. Reference is the heading, you will be having the three names. Compare with our output. Yes, social with the three names, and reference inside that will be the three names. Okay, but why you are not getting these links means I was not using any anchor tag. Okay, I will say that with the end, but let's focus on the code. Okay, go to the vs code. Yeah, okay, then what is our next thing? It's a web development. Inside the web development again ul. Okay, I want to take li as web development, and inside that web development again ul with li. Okay, what is the li? html slash css, right? Let's see the output. Yeah, it's got. Inside that ul you will be having three parts, like w3 schools, html help, css zen garden, right? Inside this ul you will be having another ul. Okay, ul with li of html. Let's see output whether it's coming. Yeah, w3 schools, I think one is html help. I was writing the names as per my wish, and next one is css zen coach or zen help something. Okay, yeah. Okay, after this what is our requirement? Same with the same length of this xhtml you will have in the programming languages, php, mysql, javascript, right? Outside of this url you have to take the li. Okay, li, and you have to take programming languages. right? And again you have to take the UL and insert that li, and first one is the JavaScript. Let's take it. Okay, JavaScript, PHP, and what is the next one? They taken MySQL. Okay, let's see our output whether we got it or not. Okay, I want to compare um with this. Yes, right, just see this as a social network. It's consisting social network. Inside the social network you will be having 3 links, and next reference you have with 3 links, and after the web development, inside that again XHTML and CSS, the inside that 3 links, and later programming and XHTML will be same, and inside programming you'll be having 3, right? This is about how we are going to use the nested list. Okay, this concept is called as nested list. Okay, simple guys. First we need to take the UL unordered list inside that social networking. So see here, it's in a UL as a dot will be starting. Then I taken the UL, and you will be having the list to represent this text. We are going to use the list, and that's your social networking, right? And after that again there is some space, and you will be having another dots, right? So you have to use another UL. It's a unordered list, and that will be consisting 3 terms. After that it's completed. What completed? This particular UL is completed, and come out of this UL in the same length, I mean same line, you have to create the reference, right? Same way, li, then create the UL, then li, then create the UL. Inside this UL we have to create another UL. Okay, you are here, you can see that this is a UL for XHTML. Okay, this is a UL. Inside that you are writing XHTML. Inside that there will be the another UL. After that completion, okay, up to here completed, but this part programming should be in this UL. Okay, in this UL. So you are writing the same programming languages inside this UL, and after that completion you are getting this is for programming, and this is for the XHTML CSS, and this is for what, end of the UL, and this is the body part. Okay, if you have any doubts you can keep me in the chat, and I want people you to give about one more example you people have to do. It's like a task, and if you're facing any challenges in that, you can comment me below. Okay, okay guys, this is the your task, you have to do it. Okay, this is the task, you have to do it, and you can do that too. It's simple. I will give the basic idea. Just take UL and insert that one more UL, and insert that LIs. Okay, same like this. It's not a hard task, you can do that too. Okay, first take the UL, insert that 2 LIs, and insert the recipes, and you will be having the total up to the contact as is. It's a 1 UL. Okay, it's a big UL, right? I mean you will take the UL here, it will end here, and inside that you will be having the same list, and inside that you can take like one more UL, and inside that one more UL, and again list UL, list UL, list UL. Okay, if you're facing any challenges while doing this, just comment me below. I think you have understood the concept of list. It's very important. Okay, that's all about today's video. If you have any doubt, just contact me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Okay, before going to that, I want to convey you one point. Okay, that is, as they are in our image, you are going to see how they are displaying. They are displaying in the format of anchor tag, right? Just use H, and you can use the link like www.diggy.com. so it's use Diggy. Okay, in this way you can create a output like anchor tag. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, inside the list you can use the anchor tag for the creation of the link. That's all about today's video. Thank you for watching.